Good morning folks, Liam from LRS Exterior Cleaning here. So yeah, today is basically a setup video, almost. So I've had a terrible week. My original pressure washer, the Hyundai P1PE, 15 litres per minute, but basically decided to cut out in the middle of a job. So took it in for service and it basically needed a week to be fixed, and obviously it's not a great machine anyway. So what I did was, because I've got a week coming up of 2 roof cleans, pressure washing them, I basically bit the bullet and bought a new machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to take you outside. I'm in my shed at the moment. Take you outside, show you the new machine and the kit that I've got to go with it for the roof cleaning, and then yeah, we'll have a little play and see what it's like. So yeah, I just wanted to have a little test today. Today's Saturday, so we've got the first roof clean on Monday. I wanted to have a little play on the ground first, you know, get to feel what the pole's like, etc. for the roof cleaning, and yeah, feel the machine and stuff. So big test this morning. Obviously I don't want to be top of the scaffolding, first time holding a pole about 30 feet away from me. So yeah, we'll have a little play. I'll show you the new machine first and then we'll get going. So this is the new machine. Obviously it's a Honda GX 390. Pretty standard for the industry. 21 litres a minute into pump. It's got an interpump on there, got an easy start pull valve, so basically water comes out of there before you start the machine to release pressure. We've got a pressure gauge, which is always handy. I kind of wanted to get as much on it as I possibly could, so we can kind of see how much pressure we're using on roofs. So you kind of want to be about 100 bar for roofs. So yeah. Also, I just wanted to mention that A1 pressure washers, go check them out. They're based in Ipswich and Suffolk. Really helped me out. They got this basically sorted within an hour. I called up about 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, which obviously no one wants to be dealing with, you know, doing lots at 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, but they got me sorted. Got it for about, I think it was just over 2,200. So yeah, and then this is our pole. So it's from Gut Vacuum Systems. Julia really helped me out with this. She basically didn't have any of the water-fed pole conversion kits, so she's got these sent out for me next day, which is very nice of her. Obviously it's been a bit of a rush because I've had all like bits and bobs that are missing. Obviously this is from the turbo nozzles from A1 pressure washers as well. Yeah, again, helped me out massively because I wouldn't have had an 065, I think, is for the 21 litres a minute. Obviously I've got 045s at the minute because mine was 15. But yeah, we'll turn it on, have a bit of a play. Obviously I've plugged into the foot pedal now with the thermoplastic hose. And then yeah, you'll see me aiming for that plastic sheet. Cool. Right then folks, so yeah, I've decided to stop now. I've been out here for about half an hour, you know, having a little play with it. My GoPro battery did die. I wasn't prepared to make this video, but you know, I thought, oh, I'll give it a go, so I'm going to record it. Yeah, a few things to take on board. If you're never roof cleaned before with pressure, you want to have, basically, you want to make it so the pole can float with you only kind of supporting it with one hand. And once you've got that, then you can kind of start cleaning. Sorry, I'm just putting my boots back on. Yeah, so if you go full whack with the pressure washer, you're going to end up breaking something. And that is, it's going to fly up in the air and you have no control over it at all. So yeah, do not kind of, also, I would highly recommend to do what I just did and have a little practice in your garden first. Because if you don't, and you rock up to a job, you're basically just going to struggle to kind of get to terms with things. But yeah, after kind of like 10 minutes of kind of working it out, getting the pressure right and stuff, you kind of get a groove into it and it becomes a lot easier. So yeah, like I did, you can kind of see I cleaned from like there to like there. Obviously I'm not going to clean the whole lot because this is just a short video. I've got to go out in about an hour. So yeah, my parents are going to love me when they get back and be like, why did you only do half a job? But yeah, I'm sure we'll give the machine a go with the turbo anyway on the Lance at some point and just do our own. But yeah, so because I'm only running like low pressure, I can't get all the weeds up very easily off like the pole. Whereas obviously if you're in a turbo, you basically have like a high pressure. But yeah, no, I'm really happy with what I've got. I need to kind of make it so that the machine can draw water from the bottom of my buffer tank. So it needs to draw water out of there. Instead I had it plugged in the top and just dropped in the water, and you notice the pressure issues when you do that. So yeah, I need to kind of order an inch or a 3/4 inch into an inch adapter so that I can kind of plug it in. Oh, can't see myself. But yeah, other than that, really happy. Obviously gutter vacuum system supplied me with a pole, A1 pressure washers supplied me with the machine, Darren at PWS supplied me with the foot pedal, and then Rutland Pump supplied me with a hose, which I bought quite a long time ago. But yeah, so we're mixing all the companies into one. But yeah, that's our roof cleaning setup to begin with. New van, potentially new van coming soon, so stay tuned for that, because I'm struggling out of my little short wheelbase partner. Of course I am, because I've got so much kit now. I can't bring enough stuff. Like I have to sacrifice something like for the roofs on Monday. If I can't get the gutter vacuum in, I can't get the gutter vacuum in. We'll have to just kind of get up there with ladders. But yeah, so there's a few things that I'm kind of not really happy with what I've got at the moment, which is the van and a few other bits and bobs. But yeah, we're getting there. Jobs booked in. Now we're up until the end of May. So yeah, busy times. Like I say, roof clean full week this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Two houses. One of them's massive with a scaffold. One of them's a semi-detached house with scaffolding already up around it on the front side, but the back side we're gonna have to use a meat tower. But yeah, anyway, that's me done. I hope you enjoyed. I will give you a kind of like what I'm setting up like when I'm on the roof. So when I've got the scaffold and stuff, I'll show you exactly the best, you know, the most efficient way of kind of cleaning. So yeah, anyway, please leave a like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. I kind of want to aim to do that by June, so we've got a month and a week and a bit. So yeah, please subscribe, please like, and yeah, I'll see you. I'm going to record both the roof cleans, so I'll see you. Try and get 2 videos out next week. One of them will be the roof, and then I've got something else I've already recorded to come out. So yeah, anyway, cool guys, cheers.